Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your Ulta points online using an app phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on Ulta Beauty Rewards. Here you can see how many points you have. Your points turn into money when you use them online. The more points you use at once, the more you save. Now let's use points online. Start shopping in the app. Add the items you want to cart. When you're ready, tap checkout. On the checkout screen, scroll down until you see use points. You will see different points amount you can choose from. Tap the number of points you want to use. You will see the dollar amount taken of your total right away. Make sure the points are applied, then finish checking out like normal. And that's it. That's how you use Ulta points online using an app phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.